Hey you guys, it's Erin and W back here with another video. So before we get into this video, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And when you finish watching this video, go check out some other videos. You know, if you see what you like, be sure to subscribe. Don't leave. Don't leave my channel without subscribing. Anyways, let's get into this video. Thank you so much for watching. So today I'm trying more hair care. This is the cute box it came in. It says holistic, organic, natural, refreshing, and pure. This line is super duper great for like naturals who are just into, you know, natural, holistic, organic products. You open it up and it says you were made for more inside, and it's super cute. It has like this gold detailing. It's very cute. Love the packaging. Here it says plant-based, 100% vegan, no animal testing, and organic great ingredients. And I've already been through these products, and I can tell you guys it really is organic. So it just comes with this intro card, and then on the back it actually has like instructions for each product that comes in the kit. So this is I think it's just the all-in-one kit. I gotta check and make sure what it's called. But these are the instructions, and it tells you how to use everything, because this product line is very much for the DIY naturals, or people who like to just go with very natural products and kind of make your own products. It kind of helps you to do that. So this is the More Hair Inside Out Hair Growth Tea for healthy follicle regrowth. And this is actually tea to drink. Yes, but they do have hair tea. Well, this is everything it comes with. The kit comes with 9 products. So 8 products and then the tea. And we have the shampoo bar, the hair tea, restorative hair juice, Sure Thing growth oil, pre-poo styling, butter up styling cream, herbal hydration hair mask, and It's Clean shampoo. In today's video, I will be using the shampoo bar, and I'll also be making some of this herbal refresher hair tea rinse. Because you can actually, you don't actually have to rinse it out. You could like leave it in your hair. So I'm gonna use this today as like my, in place of my water when I'm styling and like detangling and stuff. And I'm also going to use the herbal hydration hair mask today, which is the Healing Deep Conditioner. And I'll also be trying out this Sillet pre-poo, pre-wash hair treatment. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know I like to pre-poo, so this is right up my alley. I'm really excited to try this. And I may be using the Sure Thing growth oil, just depending on the style that I do today. So we have this restorative hair juice, and it's supposed to help with hair loss and hair growth. But I kind of feel like this is more like, you know, if you lose your edges from like a protective style, or, you know, something's going on with your hair, you would use this. So I'm probably not going to use this anytime soon, but this is another shampoo. It's called the It's Clean shampoo. It cleanses, detangles, and moisturizes. And this shampoo, you actually mix it up with water, and then you like put it in this is a DIY shampoo. Mix it up with water, you put it in an applicator bottle similar to like a bottle like this, and you put it on your scalp and wash your hair. So I don't have an applicator bottle, so I'm not gonna use this one today. That's why I'm choosing to use the shampoo bar, because I love shampoo bars anyways, so I'm really excited to use this. And then I'll show you guys also what the Butter Up styling cream looks like, even though more than likely I'm not using this with my style today. So this Butter Up styling cream daily moisturizer, it's more of a butter than a cream. You can kind of see the consistency. It's kind of like a shea butter, if you will. So yeah, And I only use butters on like blowouts or like protective styles, and I'm not doing either one today, so I'm not gonna use this. But yeah. And also everything that I smelled so far, I haven't smelled the oil or the juice, the hair juice, but everything that I smelled so far is like very everything smells very herbally. So like it's all natural. You don't have to worry about any artificial perfumes or anything. So yeah, let's get into wash day. Okay, you guys, so to start this wash day, I started off by making the herbal tea rinse. And this natural soothing solution moisturizes your scalp, reduces breakage, and boosts the natural curl of your hair. I enjoy putting this on my hair in place of water because it felt like I was, adding more nutrients to my hair rather than just water, which water is still good. Nothing wrong with water. But the ingredients are hibiscus, fenugreek, lavender, chamomile, red clover, just to name a few. And I thought it was really cool that I could literally see a flower in the tea while I was making it. So I'm just showing you how to make the tea. And you can actually add some of the oil that came in the kit to the tea to make it a little bit more moisturizing for your hair. So usually the first step in my wash day is to do my pre-poo, and I was using the More Hair Sillet Pre-Poo, which is a pre-wash hair treatment. Now, usually I'm used to my pre-poos being like, something to help detangle my hair, and this was not that. So this is actually supposed to like coat your hair in like an extra layer of moisture before you use any kind of shampoo that could potentially strip your hair. So it says that the Sillet Pre-Poo wraps each hair strand in moisturizing butters and oils, adding a layer of protection from moisture loss during your hair wash routine. And it definitely does. My hair was not dry or stripped after washing it, but I will say though, this did not really help detangle, which is what I usually use pre-poos for, to detangle. But I did go in with the herbal refresher hair tea rinse to saturate each section before applying the Sillet Pre-Poo. So yeah, the Sillet Pre-Poo was a little bit more of like a butter than what I expected. I expected it to be kind of like, a loose jelly type of product to help me detangle. Um, but it definitely made my hair feel moisturized, and it did what it was supposed to do. It just didn't do what I thought it would do. So my hair was quite tangled. That's why you see me like going through it and trying to finger detangle a little bit before I even put the pre-poo on. But once I put the pre-poo on, I attempted to comb through my hair, but the pre-poo didn't really provide any slip, so I decided not to comb through my hair for any of the other sections, and I just worked all the product in with my fingers because I was noticing a lot more shedding than I'm used to. But then again, I will say this was my first time washing my hair in like almost 3 weeks. So it was, I expected to have more shedding than normal. So once I have the pre-poo on each section and I've detangled just a little bit, I go ahead and twist up each section, and I continue that around my entire head. So my final review for this pre-poo, because I forgot to give it at the end, I give this pre-poo a 9 out of 10 because it did exactly what it claimed to do. It definitely gave my hair moisture, an extra layer of moisture before washing it. The only reason I got a 9 is just because I expected it to be like you know, a traditional pre-poo that I'm used to, which is like it helps me to detangle my hair. Okay, so next I am mixing up my herbal hydration hair mask, and the instructions on the container are a little bit more concise than the instructions on the card. So I kind of did a little wrong, but I did add 1 teaspoon of the herbal hair mask and 1 tablespoon of the water. It said to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of the mask. So I started off with one because I didn't know how much I would need, and I did 1 tablespoon of water. And it does say warm water. So I used warm water to like get something, to kind of make the product melt a little bit. And then it says to add in your favorite conditioner. So I just added in a regular conditioner I have on hand. And then I just stirred it up. But then I was like, okay, I don't think this is enough for my hair. So I added another teaspoon of the hair mask and another, I think I might have added a little bit more water. I'm not really sure, but you're about to see. Okay, guys, so now it is shampoo time. I am using the Root to Tip Shampoo Bar Detoxifying Hair Wash. Y'all, I love this shampoo bar so much. This is probably my favorite part of wash day. I love shampoo bars anyways because they lather so well on your hair. And then this one, it smells amazing. Like it doesn't smell as earthy as the other products, but it smells like it still smells fresh and it still smells organic, but it smells so good. So the experience was just all the more better. But I went ahead and I kind of started lathering it like around my edges because I had a lot of gel on my edges, and then I worked it like through my scalp. And I like to shampoo my hair twice. So there's two options for using this shampoo bar. You could either do like I did, where I put the shampoo bar directly onto my hair, or you could wet the shampoo bar and like lather it between your hands, kind of like you would do like hand soap, and then just put it on your hair from that way. So that's like a lighter wash, and then the way that I'm doing it is a more heavy wash. And I did a more heavy wash because it's been, I think, almost 3 weeks since I washed my hair. But this product has sage, brahmi, tulsi, rosemary, henna, amla, neem, cactus, castor oil, and sesame oil in it, just to name a few. And I don't think I mentioned it yet, but these products are made in the USA. So, definitely get your hands on these products. So I'm out of the shower and I was just feeling my hair to see how it felt. And my hair did not feel stripped at all. I think it's in part of the pre-poo coating my hair in that extra layer before shampooing. And then also the shampoo just wasn't super duper harsh on my hair. But I'm going ahead to apply my herbal hydration hair mask, and while I'm applying it, I am spraying on the tea rinse, just as some added moisture because I really like my hair to be super wet when I'm applying my hair masks. And so this herbal hydration hair mask, you could take it even further by adding some of the restorative hair juice to it, and then sitting under the dryer. So either way, you can sit under the dryer for 20 minutes, or you could just let your hair sit with this product on for an hour to really soak up all the hydration. And I let it sit for about an hour. I didn't sit under the dryer, but this product will restore health and moisture to even the most dry and dandruff prone scalps, which is right up my alley because I struggle with dry scalp every now and then depending on the season. So this is perfect for my hair, and it is a perfect addition to your hair care routine, and it conditions, strengthens, and repairs brittle or damaged hair. And as you can tell, I did freshly color my hair, so this is definitely well needed. So for each section, I spray on the T-rinse, and then I apply the hair mask and twist up each section. And then off camera, I applied a plastic cap and I put on a Scully to seal in the heat from my scalp. So this is my hair after rinsing out the deep conditioner, and my hair felt very moisturized and soft to touch. Okay, you guys, so my wash day is complete, which means we are at the end of this video. So I just, for this wash day, I decided to just plait my hair really until I decide what to do. I'm kind of thinking of like doing like a low puff or something like that. But I just like, whenever I don't know what I'm gonna do on what, or for my style for like that week or whatever, on wash day, I'll just like plait my hair and let it dry until well, plait my hair with leave-in conditioner and then let it dry until I figure it out. So it's nighttime, so I'm going to go to sleep with these in. I'm gonna sleep with my scarf on and, you know, call it a wash day, and then tomorrow I'll style it, whatever. But this is the end of this video. Yeah, overall review, I would definitely recommend the shampoo bar. It smells amazing, it lathers very well, and it didn't strip my hair. And also I would recommend the hair tea. I think it's a great addition to, like, you know, just your natural hair regimen, because you can use the hair tea literally on like at any step in your hair care routine. You could use it just to spritz your hair, just to re-moisturize your hair, to moisturize your scalp, to actually rinse like after doing shampoo. Like, there's so many ways you can use a tea rinse, so I would definitely recommend that as well. I liked the hair mask, but I'm not much of a DIY natural, so I'm not really into like the making extra things to go in other products. But if you're a DIY natural, I definitely recommend the hair mask. And is that everything I used? Yeah, that's it. So that's my final review, but overall, I really liked More Hair Care. Make sure you guys go check them out. They're all about natural products and holistic products, and kind of like, you know, getting into like getting your hands dirty for wash day and, you know, making your own products. So if that's your speed, if you liked any of the products that I used or want to try them out yourself, go ahead and click the link down below. It is More Hair Care. If you don't want to click the link and you just want to Google it, it's More Hair Care. So yeah, that's the end of this video. If you made it to this point in the video, go ahead and drop a leaf emoji since it's More Hair Care. And I'll see you in my next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.